Hey guys, it's Cindy A. Lewis, and yes, I am in Great Falls, Montana, and you know me, if you watched any of my videos, I have to go and check out the Tuesday morning, the Dollar Tree, or any of the craft stores that I love to visit and see what kind of deals I can find. Well, guess what I found? A Dollar Tree in Great Falls. We drove right past it and just had to go, of course. So anyway, I came on this trip. It's a work trip, and I didn't bring any crafting supplies, and I had to get something at the Dollar Tree and make something. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you a quick haul of the few little things that I got. Then I'm gonna put together a really quick little craft idea. And then following that, I'm gonna post some of the video and photos that I shot while at the Dollar Tree in Great Falls, Montana. Okay, so first, we picked up a few gifts for prizes and giveaways for our students this week that we're gonna be training. So I picked up this cute little pen that has a retractable calibiner. How do you say that? I don't even know how you say it. It's too late. I'm really tired. Anyway, one of these. Yep, I picked that up, black, because we're gonna have men and women in our class. Also picked up a stylus that has a laser pointer on it. It comes with a battery, so pretty cool. If you need that, it's a 2-in-1 stylus. So that's really cool. And then, of course, we need to reduce our stress always. So stop and rewind from time to time and take a break by adult coloring. And I'm going to show you the picture that really made us laugh, because we think about this a lot of times. I don't know if you can see this, but it's a big cake. Can you see that? It's like lots of cake here. And it says, "A party without cake is just a meeting." Very cute. So anyway, this is one of our door prizes. And then found this cute idea book. It's just a little notebook, paper trimmed in very cute yellow. And there are no lines, so it could actually be, sorry about the light, doing the best I can, could actually be a sketchbook. So really cute idea book. All right, so there's a couple of things that I've been looking for to see if our Dollar Tree had it. I'm gonna show you these very cute little feet that are elf feet, and I have a DIY in mind for these. I actually purchased 2 of them, and I'm actually looking for Santa feet. If anybody sees Santa feet, can you let me know? They're little ornaments, but that's not what I'm gonna use them for. And then I'm looking for lights like this. My Dollar Tree, I couldn't find them. And I need a light like this because we're gonna make a light up snowman. Not tonight, but we are going to in the future. Now for my DIY, I picked up this Merry Christmas sign, and you'll see a number of signs that are at the Dollar Tree. And this is so cute. And for $1, I mean, really, I'm baffled at how they can even do that, but it's very cute. We're going to use this ornament, which is a poinsettia, as everyone says. In Texas, always said poinsettia. So poinsettia, and we're going to put that on our sign. And some little stockings. You get 2 for $1. This is part of our craft project. Thank goodness that the Dollar Tree has Aleene's tacky glue, some red glitter ribbon, and I needed some removable hooks. So I got 4 because I have 4 stockings. Yes, ma'am. And one thing that the Dollar Tree carries that I can't seem to find even at Walmart is corn nuts that have the ranch flavoring. I'm watching what I eat right now, and this is one thing that I allow myself to have once in a while. Okay, so next I'm going to start my craft with you, And then I will show you all the video and the photos that I picked up that I shot while at the Dollar Tree in Great Falls. Okay, so for this craft project idea, we're gonna have 2 sets of stockings from the Dollar Tree, which would equal 4. I think we're only gonna use 3, but they come in sets of 2. You're going to need removable hooks, which we don't have to remove these. I'm actually gonna glue them on, but this is the kind that they had at the Dollar Tree. I was gonna get the smaller ones, but I think I need the bigger ones. These are they hold up to 1 pound, and there's 4 pieces in here. Again, that's them. Some Elaine's tacky glue, and an ornament to accent your sign, and some ribbon to go under the ornament. Now, what does a person even think that they're doing by not bringing their craft supplies with them? I don't know what I was thinking, but I didn't. I thought, oh, I won't have any time. I'll be really tired, you know, but, you know, here I am. All right, so the first thing that I want to do is I'm just showing you this, and I'm doing the best with my angle. But anyway, I'm going to open my tacky glue and cut the tip off, because I do carry scissors with me everywhere I go in my makeup and everything bag. My makeup and everything bag. That's what it is. All right, so I'm going to open these up real quick. Now you could put these on like this. It might work. Let's just try it. Now, what I'm gonna do is I'm just going to estimate where I want these. And since I'm only gonna do 3, I know I need 1 in the middle, right underneath these pine cones. And just make this really cute hanging. So I'm gonna put 1 here, and I'm actually gonna let it hang off a little bit, like this. Can you see that? It's actually hanging off a little bit. And it sticks on, so I may not use the glue, because these stockings aren't going to be very heavy. So let me just give you the idea of what it's going to look like. Okay, so then your stocking's going to hang down just like this. And really and truly, if you want to not use permanent glue to affix these removable hangers, these hooks, you could do this, and then next year you could change it up and not use the sign this way. So that's basically what I'm gonna do here. So I'm going to attach these other 2 stockings and be right back. Okay, now my stockings are all attached. You can see how it's going to look adorable, and you of course could dress up your stockings however you want to do that. You can add the permanent glue if you want them to be permanently affixed. Okay, now I'm going to add this poinsettia with some ribbon. Okay, so removing the alligator clip is not something I want to do that may tear up the flower, but it will clip on to the top of my sign without any problem. So I'm going to take that off. I'm going to put some ribbon streamers here, and then I'm going to clip this on, and we'll be done. I've got some ribbon from the glitter red ribbon that I purchased at the Dollar Tree tonight, and I'm going to cut some pieces of it, different lengths, and I'm going to glue them on just so they're on here like this. Maybe that's a little bit long. Let's make them a little shorter. Let's make those a little shorter. Ow. And don't, let's see, let's do 3. And don't cut your finger. Yep. All right, so I'm gonna glue that like that. So I've got the Elaine's glue, and I'm just going to put some glue on the back here. It's okay if it hangs to me a little bit loose. So I'm gonna smear this because I don't want to overdo the glue, which I may have already done, but you never know. All right. Now this will dry clear. Aleene's is a really great glue. And so I've got plenty on my hands here. Like this. And it will dry clear. All right. Now I'm not going to even glue this on. I'm just going to clip it on. And there you go. And if you decide you want another ribbon here, I think it might look good. I just put a little more glue on that. I'll show you. And this is really, again, great glue that the Dollar Tree is now offering. All right, so here we have it. We have our Dollar Tree little sign with stockings. And this is just an on-the-road little DIY. Is that the cutest ever? Alrighty. Okay, here's the little sign we just made with our poinsettia, our ribbon, our little hooks, and our stockings, all from the Dollar Tree for a quick DIY on the road. Is that adorable or what? So thank you for watching. I really appreciate all my subscribers, and I appreciate you watching my videos. If you want to see the next video, you can just click subscribe and the little bell will remind you if you click on that. Also, hang on at the end and you can see some of the great finds from the Dollar Tree in Great Falls. And I hope you have a great week.